Did you know jewelry is one of the easiest ways to make yourself look elegant and even expensive? The right pieces can instantly elevate an outfit, no matter your budget. But here's what most people miss. It's not about wearing more jewelry, it's about choosing the right pieces. Because certain jewelry details quietly signal elegance and quality, while others, even expensive ones, can make an outfit feel less polished. So today, we're going through the jewelry details that instantly make you look elegant and refined. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which pieces elevate your look and how to style them. So let's get started. The art of layering. One of the easiest ways to make jewelry look instantly more elegant and expensive is mastering the art of layering. Layering has long been a part of refined styling because it creates dimension while still feeling effortless. But elegant layering is never about piling on pieces. It's usually thin, delicate jewelry worn in thoughtful combinations, 2 or 3 fine necklaces resting at slightly different lengths, a few slim rings stacked together, perhaps a delicate bracelet layered beside a watch. So stunning. Instead of one heavy statement piece, these smaller pieces work together to create a look that feels balanced and intentional. You'll often notice this in women who have that effortlessly elevated style. A simple shirt, a classic dress, paired with a few delicate pieces layered together. Nothing oversized, nothing competing for attention, just small details working together to create a refined finish. And interestingly, this kind of jewelry styling often looks far more expensive than wearing one large statement piece, because elegance rarely tries to dominate an outfit. It simply adds quiet, thoughtful detail. Match your jewelry to your neckline. Another small detail that makes a surprising difference is how jewelry interacts with the neckline of your outfit, because the neckline naturally becomes the frame for your jewelry. When the two complement each other, everything instantly feels more intentional. Higher necklines look best with earrings and no necklace for balance, or paired with a longer necklace for a more elongated look. Whereas open necklines like a scoop neck or V-neck tend to pair nicely with shorter pieces that sit closer to the neck. But beyond the neckline, jewelry can also help balance the overall outfit. Delicate jewelry tends to work with almost anything. A few fine chains, subtle rings or small earrings can elevate nearly any look without overpowering it. But if you're wearing a very simple or monochromatic outfit, this can also be a wonderful moment to introduce a slightly more noticeable piece, perhaps a sculptural earring or a necklace with a bit more presence. Sometimes that one detail is exactly what pulls the entire look together, because elegant styling isn't about following strict rules, it's about creating balance. One jewelry detail that instantly makes an outfit feel more refined is delicate diamond jewelry. Not large, overpowering pieces, but smaller diamonds that add a quiet sense of brilliance. There's something about delicate diamonds that always feels effortlessly elegant and quietly expensive. You often notice this in women whose style feels naturally polished. Just a few refined pieces that subtly elevate the entire look. Recently, I discovered a jewelry brand that captures this idea beautifully. Idel. Idel designs fine diamond jewelry in Antwerp, the diamond capital of the world, where centuries of craftsmanship meet modern innovation. What makes their pieces especially interesting is that the jewelry is modular. You can wear pieces on their own for a minimal look, or layer and stack them in different ways, depending on the moment. That versatility is something I really appreciate, because the same pieces can feel understated during the day, slightly more elevated in the evening, simply by how you style them. They're also made with the top 1% of lab-grown diamonds, giving you beautiful diamond brilliance while remaining ethical and fully traceable. These are exactly the kinds of pieces I love, pairing with simple outfits, whether it's a knit sweater, a flowy dress, or a structured blazer. Just a few delicate diamonds can instantly make the entire look feel more polished, while still being effortless enough to wear every day. So stunning. If you'd like to explore the pieces or see the styles I'm featuring here, you can find the idle link in the description below. Choosing your signature metal. Another small detail that instantly makes jewelry look more polished is consistency in your metal tones. You will often notice that women with a very refined style tend to stick mostly to one metal tone, usually gold, silver, or sometimes rose gold. This creates a look that feels cohesive and intentional rather than scattered. While metal tones are largely a matter of personal preference, some people also enjoy choosing metals that flatter their skin tone. For example, cooler undertones often pair beautifully with silver, white gold, or platinum, while warmer undertones tend to complement yellow gold or soft rose gold. But ultimately, the most important thing is creating harmony. Repeating the same tone throughout, perhaps a gold necklace, gold rings, and a bracelet, instantly makes a look feel more balanced and refined. That said, mixing metals can still look beautiful when it's done intentionally. For example, a gold necklace paired with a silver watch can still feel very polished when the tones feel balanced, because truly elegant jewelry isn't about wearing more, it's about choosing pieces that feel thoughtful and refined. Knowing when to stop. One subtle detail that often separates elegant jewelry, styling, from everything else is knowing when to stop. It can be tempting to wear multiple necklaces, rings, bracelets, and earrings all at once, but refined styling usually comes down to balance. Often just a few carefully chosen pieces are enough to elevate an entire look. Perhaps layered necklaces with simple earrings, or statement earrings paired with minimal rings. When each piece has space to stand on its own, the overall look tends to feel far more polished. You'll often notice this in styles that feel effortlessly refined. The jewelry never feels excessive. Each piece simply feels intentional. Because elegance isn't about wearing more, it's about choosing thoughtfully. Oh, I love this one. Another detail you'll often notice in very refined style is signature jewelry. Rather than constantly changing every piece, try having a few items you naturally reach for again and again. Perhaps a delicate necklace you rarely remove, a simple gold ring, a ring passed down from a family member, or a pair of earrings that quietly become part of your everyday look. Over time, these pieces start to feel personal and recognizable. They begin to reflect your natural style rather than simply matching an outfit. And that consistency often makes jewelry feel even more elegant. Because instead of looking like accessories chosen randomly each day, they begin to feel like a natural extension of your style. Sometimes the most refined jewelry isn't the most flashy piece in the room. It's simply the piece that feels effortlessly yours. Matching your earrings to your hairstyle. Another small detail that can make jewelry look more elegant is choosing earrings that work with your hairstyle, because your hair changes how visible your jewelry actually is. For example, when your hair is pulled back into a bun, ponytail, or updo, it creates a perfect moment for slightly more noticeable earrings. Refined drop earrings or elegant hoops can softly frame the face. Whereas when hair is worn down or styled with more volume, very large earrings can sometimes get lost. In those cases, smaller studs or delicate earrings often look more polished. The same idea applies to shorter hairstyles as well. When the ears are more visible, earrings naturally become a focal point, so choosing something refined can elevate the entire look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like or a comment below. It would truly mean the world to us. And if you'd like to explore the jewelry pieces featured in today's video, you can find the Adel link in the description below. If you'd like to elevate your style and elegance even further, you can also access the personal stylist guides, which are linked there as well. Let us know if you'd like a part 2. I'd truly love to hear your thoughts or videos you'd like to see. I read all of your comments and truly enjoy chatting with you. Until next time, bye my loves.